Hi, welcome to Drumore Estate.
Today we're going to give you a couple tips on why our couples love having their weddings here at Drumore.
Drumore Estate is a Georgia-style mansion that's nestled among 70 acres in Lancaster County. The rolling hills make for a picturesque, beautiful backdrop for any event. Not only do you get this beautiful landscaped garden that's very picturesque, but you also get tables, chairs, linens, flatware, china, water glasses on tables, cake cutting service, rolls and butter, and catering is done here on site.
So you also have 12 hours exclusive access on the property and your own planner and facilitator included in your package.
You have two choices for your reception area. You can either choose the grand tent or you can choose the carriage house. And inside the mansion, we also have 3 dressing suites available for you and your bridal party to prepare for their big day. If you'd like to learn more about all of our packages and everything that we have to offer, all you need to do is go online and book a tour with us at drumoreestate.com.
Our tour reps personalize your tour. You get to see the entire property and visualize exactly how you want your day to go here at Drumore Estate.
We have tour reps on the property daily for you to schedule your tour. All you need to do is go to drumoreestate.com.